Welcome guys, I'm in actual disbelief at the events occurring yesterday with GameStop stock. For those of you who don't know, GameStop ticker GME skyrocketed from its open of $42 to an intraday high of almost $76, almost $77, and eventually settled down to around $65 a close. This is after GameStop was already up 10% the day before and went 100% on the month up to this point. Even more impressive is a research firm named Citron Research, mainly communicating through this man here, was saying over this time period, even hosting live streams, actively calling out WallStreetBets traders and claiming that the stock would reach $20 imminently, insinuating a massive drop. This is not the first time Citron has gone to war with WallStreetBets, as they were notably bearish on other popular names like Palantir, who will undoubtedly rise in the long term. Comically, it's almost like GameStop rose because this firm was spouting bearish claims, and the bulls were determined to prove them wrong. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is how WallStreetBets went to war with Citron Research. For those of you who don't know, shorting a stock means you generally profit from the downward movement of a stock and face losses from its increase. Citron and other large firms have been shorting GameStop for weeks, and for reasons obviously shown in this chart, they have certainly been destroyed so far, as bulls were determined to destroy the shorts. We know WallStreetBets is bullish on GME, but this is even greater than anyone thought possible, as GameStop is up 1,400% in just 6 months. Trading was halted yesterday several times due to such high trading volume. I want to preface by saying that yesterday's highs of $77 are very likely to be slightly overinflated of what GameStop is currently worth because of recent momentum, but Citron is absolutely incorrect at the $20 price they have set for it, as they have not properly priced in the effect of investor Ryan Cohen as much as they should. Over the long term, I do expect GameStop to be able to stabilize around these valuations seen today, if not higher, as billionaire investor Ryan Cohen will reimagine GameStop to be the video game retailer of today, bringing its brick and mortar business finally into the digital age, increasing online sales dramatically. And now, for the part you've all been waiting for, one man has remained the strongest of them all on the subreddit, who is now absolutely legendary with the username DeepFreakingValue. Insinuate his real name for my censoring, as I don't swear in this channel. He also has a YouTube channel named Roaring Kitty. Check out his live streams sometimes, they're really entertaining. He made this post, which now has 62,000 upvotes in 17 hours, easily one of the highest upvoted game posts on WallStreetBets ever. And this is for good reason, as he touts a now unrealized gain of $7.8 million off his combination of 50,000 GameStop shares and $1,012 strike price call options expiring April 16th. To top this off, that $2.6 million in cash is gains from other calls that expired in the money on GameStop from earlier this month. DeepFreakingValue is a self-proclaimed value investor and claims that he is quite confident in the long-term trajectory of GameStop, allowing him to make such heavy-handed bets on the company as he has done extensive research. On the other hand, he says that he is not very good at predicting short-term price action, so he says that this high could be followed by several intermittent large dips, as it's hard to predict what will happen in the short term. But he's confident GME's long-term trajectory will be upwards. There's no guarantee that there'll be large dips, but he says that it's a complete possibility. Absolutely incredible guts to this investor, and what a crazy week on the stock market. This is almost as good as a TV show at this point, or David versus Goliath. Hope you guys like this more informal video. Consider subscribing for more. Stay green, guys.